If I had to pick 3 words to describe the road ahead, the first one I think I would use remembrance. So I think it's important that we remember the lives of those lost in this tragedy.
I would say the first one is going to be better. We're going to do better. It's going to be better. That's the road ahead.
We have to be deliberate in making sure the bridge is what it should be. And we have to be aware because we're talking about billions of dollars.
Marvelous, ingenious.
The words that would describe it is determined, and united, and hope.
Hopeful.
Positive. I think that there's a commitment for everyone to basically, try to heal and then to obviously rebuild the Port of Baltimore and the bridge itself.
So I think it's obviously challenging. I think it's going to be ever-changing. It's going to be different parts of this process that we just have to adapt to. Many different elements to it over the course of the rebuild. And rewarding. I think it'll be very rewarding to just get the bridge back up, connect our communities, and really continue to honor the victims that we lost that day.
I think collaboration is a big one because we have to collaborate with communities. We have to be optimistic.
I think resilience, determination, excitement.
Resilience. I think we as a industry, as a port community, as a state, showed a tremendous amount of resilience. And that gives me a lot of hope for our ability to handle challenges in the future.
Now I'll parse it down to the word pride. Pride. We're going to regain our pride and our standing, in the global community.